Hello Humble Bakers! So tara samahan niyo akong mag-unbox nung bago kong toy. So this is Meraki Espresso Machine. Make it easier to open, the box has detachable latches on all four sides. Moment of truth. Ooh, this is the Meraki. Material, food grade aluminum alloy, food grade stainless steel, high temperature plastic. 14.3 kilograms yung sa harapan. Next, we have the product beginner guide. OMG, ang laki niya guys. Oh, may kasama na siya. Okay. No need to buy na yung ganitong lagyan na ng mga portafilter nung I think this is tamper. Nalagyan na ng tamper and coffee distributor. Guys, may kasama na siyang coffee distributor. Okay, tanggalin na natin to. Okay. Siyempre, may kasama siyang tamper and dosing cup. Okay, alam ko yung dosing cup nito is magnetic. Also, meron siyang kasamang stainless steel pitcher and meron siyang measurement sa loob until 330 ml. So I think this is 350 ml. May kasama na rin siyang towel or cleaning cloth. Then ito yung kanyang Forta filter. Okay? And meron siyang kasamang blind basket. This is for cleaning yung machine. So, kompleto na agad. Binilagyan na siya. Tanggalin natin guys. Okay. Na-excite ako. And here's our Meraki espresso machine. Oh. Wow. I get the color black. Okay. And dito yung lagayan ng beans. 150 to 200 grams pwedeng malagay. And this is the steaming wand. Tanggalin na natin. Here. Totoo nga guys ang balita. Meron siyang 3 holes. Not 1, not 2, but 3 holes for steaming. And meron siyang probe thermometer. Kasi nakalagay na dito yung kanyang temperature whenever nag-steam ka. And this is also 360 degrees. That's 360 degrees. Okay. Water container niya. 2 liters already. Ready na sa Philippines. It's 220 volts. Nice. Nice, 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 nice. This is approximately 14.7 or 3 kilograms. Tama ba? It's 14.5 kilograms. Nice. Oh, this is so nice. Tanggal natin yung plastic dito. And another one here. So this one, meron siyang drainage. Okay. Oh, this is alloy. Metal siya, metal. Sobrang ganda niya, guys. Especially this dial, itong screen sa harapan. So this is the Meraki espresso machine. So ito yung mga kasama niya, guys. May manual. Meron siyang distributor, coffee distributor, may tamper, may portafilter. Ang portafilter niya is 18 grams. It's 58 millimeters. Tapos this one is for double shot para may distributor siya. Water, may lalagyanan na. May stainless steel pitcher. May dosing cup. Meron din pala siyang kasamang brush. This is hard brush. Para dun sa loob ng grinder.